everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm here with new recipes, so welcome to my channel. My recipe is all-time favorite of everyone. Hope you will like my videos. Try my recipe at home and tell me in comment section, and kindly subscribe my channel. So here is the ingredients. Let's start. Oil, onion. Fry the onion until its color turns into brown. It's done now. Insert onion into plate and move toward next step. Ginger garlic paste. Cook it well. Add boiled mutton. Fry the mutton for 5 minutes. Now add masala, turmeric and salt, red chili powder. Zira powder. Coriander powder. Chopped tomato. Now ground peppery onion and yogurt. Add yogurt and onion paste. Mix it well. Fry it for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a potato. After add the potato, cook it for 15 minutes. Add yakni. Cover with lid. Green chili. Garam masala powder. Lemon juice. Coriander. It's ready to serve.